Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Binita and in this video I am going to show you these DIY marks. I painted the marks with some acrylic paint, and for this DIY we need only a surgical marks and some colors and a thin brush. I took only red and white color because I did the marks for Valentine's Day. You can also make it for regular wear or any other occasion as well. Now let's start. I chose a very simple design. I painted some little hearts all over the right side of the marks, and I added some little hearts and some big hearts, and after I completed the red hearts I keep it for drying for some minutes, and then I applied the white outer layer around that. I did it for some of the heart so that it looks like a pretty design, and that's all I did for that marks. It was very easy. After I finished the painting I keep it for drying overnight. On the next day I wore it. It looks very pretty when I wear it. I will show a video clip of the Valentine Day at the end of the video, and please like the video if you like my idea, and also subscribe to my channel. It will be a great help. Thank you guys for watching. Keep supporting me and love you guys. Bye.